Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss about perform SEO in Liferay. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, SEO means the process of improving your website to increase its visibility in Google, Microsoft Bing, and other search engines whenever people search for. Need of SEO. SEO helps to ensure that a site is accessible to a search engine and improves the changes that the site will be found by search engine. It is common practice for internet users to not click through pages and pages of search results. So, where a site ranks in search is essential for directing more traffic toward the site. The higher a website naturally ranks in organized results of a search, the greater the chances that site will be visited by a users. SEO techniques, keyword search and optimization. Conduct through keywords research to identify the most relevant and high traffic keyword for your content optimization. Your website's content including title, heading, meta description and body text. By incorporating these keywords naturally and strategically, high quality content creation produce valuable and informative and engaging content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. On page SEO. Optimize on page elements such as title text, meta description, header text, H1, S2, S3, and images, alt text. Mobile friendly and responsive design. Ensure your website is mobile friendly and provides a seamless experience across all devices. Now we are going to see how to implement SEO in Liferay. So just redirect to your site on portal. So I'm just selecting my master site, and first I need to go site menu and configuration and site settings. After that, on content and data, click on pages and first enable it layout crawler client configuration, and this configure connection details used by layout crawl, and just simply enable it, and here the define domain or IP address for your site, and here is port and check mark on secure and update it. And this is for Google page speeds inside, and to check the our pages on Google, like here I can also check. Okay. Just simply the paste URL and you can analyze your website's page. And after that, click on SEO and enable it. Like for multiple languages, I'm going to configure it, so simply enable it, and it will generate some text in our head part of our page. And this configuration is for open graph. Like whenever I share my URL on social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, so it's simply preview. Like if I give you an example, and open LinkedIn. So it show the preview. Sorry, there is open graph result like for this URL. Mm, that is configuration, and we have to enable it for open graph. And after that, I have to configure for each page. So go to site menu again and click on site builder and pages. For configure each page, so simply right click on the three dots and configure, and select SEO. So for this page, provide the title and description and canonical URL. Like if I enable it, like there is a two page and four symbol content and some minor differences are there. So we can choose the canonical URL for to differentiate the pages. And here is the preview. Uh, here is the keyword section. So for search on Google, so I can provide the keywords, relevant keywords for generate traffic, and user can reach our site. And for this is for site map. So if I want to include this page on the site map, so simply click on yes and define the priority like for search result. So one is the high priority and point one is the lowest priority for the site map. And if I change the page frequently, so I can define the here all hourly that on the sitemap changes. So I select daily and save it. Like start click on and view the source. So I can see the title here and some meta text. Like I provide the description for the site. This is testing. Also for the for open graph. So all the configuration are in the header section. After that, just simply save it. For open graph for this page, so simply provide the image and description and some custom title, like here is the title and the description, and this is the image. So simply save it. Here you can add custom meta tags to the head of the page. These tags are only visible in Page's HTML source code and are used to describe a page's data and determine how to data is displayed in different contexts such as search engine results and social media posts. So simply the properties, like I am providing demo and test, or simply demonstration. So simply save it, and I check these, and see the source code of the page of your site. So this is the meta tags that have defined the sub custom text. So set property demo and context text. So I can see here in the head section, and after all of these, I'm going to configure robot robots.txt file for allow disallow the some bots like Google and Microsoft Bing and others. So just simply go to the site builder and pages and right click on three dots and configure, and provide the user agent name and simply the page name that you are going to allow or disallow for that agent. Mm, I've set these, and I can save. So if I'm going to check these, so for this, in this URL, after the domain or the virtual IP address, so the simply /n robots.txt, simply type it and enter. So here I can see the robot.txt file and the sitemap XML file. So what is sitemap? So main purpose of the sitemap is to help search engine like Google and other to find and understand your website's content, and it acts like a map showing all the important places, yeah, pages on your site. So just copy it, and I can see the all the URLs for sitemap for your site. And Liferay default it provide like some portlet IDs for each pages. So to disable it, I need to set some properties. So this is the property xml.sitemap.index.enable equal to false. So set this property and restart your server. After that, it enable it in the friendly URLs. So this is so that's all from my side. Thank you.